So I'm going to teach you how to make slime. And all you need is this. And all you will need is shower gel, and that's it. You just put shower gel in here. And yeah. Don't have any glue, so yeah. I know that this is not glue. And yeah, if this was actually glue, it would change colors. Yeah. This is how you make. You just stir it, put this in the freezer, and then yeah, leave it in there. But I already made another one last time. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Then you mix, and then it's done. It's all done. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye. Love you guys. Sorry it was so short, and this is my first video. Bye.